MPK KIDZ SPACE. Today I'm going to say speech on World Earth Day. So let's get started the video. Earth Day is celebrated every year on 22nd April all over the world. Earth is the only planet in the solar system where life exists. Our planet Earth gives us all the necessary things like food, shelter for our survival. But we human beings are destroying our Earth. On this Earth Day, let's work together and make Earth a greener place to live. Let's learn how to save our Earth, save animals, grow plants, recycle, stop polluting, ride a bicycle, save water, don't litter, don't cut trees. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next video. Like, share, subscribe this channel.